Hello guys, very good morning. Hope everyone is doing good and safe. After a long time, I got the service done for my Honda Highness CB350. This is second service, so I just wanted to show the service bill and the service experience. Let's get started. First, I'll show the service bill and what all they did and how is the experience. Okay. So if you see here, the first item is engine oil. So it requires 2 liters of engine oil, and the price for it is 1258 rupees. We have o-ring, drain cock, washer. So all these things are for changing the engine oil only. So for the first 4 items, that costed like 8 rupees, 21 rupees and 6 rupees. So 1266, 1287, 1293. So close to 1300 is for engine oil, and sanitization charges, that's like 35 rupees. And chain spray, for chain spray it is like about 166 rupees. I got one extra chain spray for other bike, so that's why there are like 2 units mentioned here. And then if you see the total bill comes like 1650. And they did mention about outside works. So outside works like 100 rupees they charged. I'll tell what is it. So total is like 1750. Out of 1750, 166 is for one extra chain spray. I'll show the chain spray also. So this comes like 1600. So 1600 is my service bill minus 100 rupees for outside work, that is like 1500. This is what I paid. So this is my first service bill. This is just for a quick comparison. So here if you see, this is what I paid, like 1065 for engine oil and drain, o-ring and all these things, and then consumables 100. So here they actually, it's same cost actually, but just that the tax they mentioned separately. So if you see 1257 is the engine oil cost, and the same thing if you see in the current bill, it is 1258. So there is 1 rupee change, that's all. And so if you see completely like 1258, 4 rupees and 74 rupees and 6 rupees and 118 is that's consumable. So in my first service also, the bill came like 1460. So they, at that time I don't have any extra like outside work or extra spray, so that's why it is 1460. So if you see the difference, from 1460 we have only the sanitization work extra, that is 35 rupees, that's all. So from 1500 if you reduce 35, it's like 1465. So more or less only 5 rupees is the difference. So what I'm trying to say is, it is the same cost that I paid, it is the same amount that I paid for the first service and second service. So we can say for 6 months we have to pay 1500 for the bike service. And when I said the outside works, what it means is like this crash guard. So when I went for Gandikota trip, there was a small accident. So that time this crash guard saved my legs, and the problem is only here. So this crash guard bent little bit, they adjusted it and it is very good now. So this is one change. And here this one was bit loose, and they adjusted this rear carrier also. So for this they charged extra 100 rupees. And this is the chain spray that I got extra. This is what they are using in our Honda showroom. So this is from Vidal, and they charged like 166 rupees for this. Yeah, so it's same MRP, so it's 161, it seems. Okay, yeah, so 161 rupees they charged for this spray, and they are using this bottle completely for one time. So when I spoke with the mechanic, he said like this can be used just like how they did it, like for every service. So that means once in every 5000 kilometers we can use this chain loop, but they are suggesting to use this chain lube completely. When I asked them, like, that will be like over and there will be some spills, but they said like that is still fine. So for every 5,000 kilometers you can use this chain lube. I'm not sure if it is good or not. I will try this on my Hornet bike and I'll let you know the feedback later. So that's all when it comes to the price. Experience is like when I went for the first service, they allowed me into the lounge and I can wait in the lounge, but this time it was not the case. So we have to leave the bike there and then need to spend the time outside somewhere. So that's not. I went to Vijayawada actually, which is again non-Big Wing showroom, but it is affiliated to the Big Wing Vizag. So I got the service done there. I left the bike there, and then I went outside for a shopping mall, and then when I came back, it is done. So they took like almost 4 hours. That depends on the number of vehicles that got there prior to us, and they are very friendly actually. So the service manager and the mechanic, we can even walk into the area where they are servicing our bike and inspect the bike, how it is being done. They are still allowing it, so we can just spend there like 5 minutes and understand and then come out. So overall it is very good, and I think it is affordable, right? So 1500 for every 5 months is like hardly 300 per month. That comes down to 10 rupees per day, right? So I think it's fine. It's fine to maintain a bike like this. That's all, guys. So if you still have any questions, please do let me know. Thank you.